Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yami D here, and we are starting in the car again, and we are looking a mess, but this is going to be a maintenance vlog. I have been looking a hot mess this whole September, so we're gonna do everything again. We're gonna get our nails done, our lashes done, our hair done, the toes, you know, the whole shebang, just so I can uplift myself and start looking a little better and start being consistent with my content. Today I am doing my toes and washing my hair. So I'm on my way right now to get my toes done. You know, I'm gonna get the classic French tip. If you're doing anything else besides that, then if you're not eating, I'm sorry. But yeah, on our way to the nail salon. Hey you guys, so it's been 2 days. I think today's Wednesday. I had a client this morning, but now I'm at my lash appointment, and honestly I understand why I do not drive over here. The parking around here is terrible. There's entirely too much going around in this neighborhood. I thought my neighborhood was bad, but there's too much going on over here. But I'm so happy to be getting my lashes done, and I'm also doing something different today. I'm doing a wispy set, and I haven't done a wispy set in years, but I know a fact my lash tech is gonna eat that. This is my lashes before, looking like a little boy, and then we'll see if my lashes you'll see how my lashes look after. Let me show you guys how bad it is over here. Hold on. Every single car is double parked. I just got double parked just now, but it's so crowded over here. It's so hard to find parking. Yeah, anyways, about to head to my lash appointment. I will see you guys once I am done.
Yeah. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt.
I'm a horrible vlogger, y'all, but I am back. I got my lashes done. I did a wispy volume set, and it's something different. I haven't done a wispy volume set in such a long time. I think the last time I did a wispy volume set was I want to say 2 years ago, but I really like it. It's different. And then I got my hair done 30 inches crimped. 30 inches crimped, y'all. Freaking love it. She did such a good job, because also, y'all, this is a closure and it's glueless. It looks really, really good. So I'm really happy about my hair. I'm gonna start packing now, because I leave to go to Atlanta tomorrow at 8 a.m. and you already know your girl. Of course, I leave tomorrow and I haven't packed, so I need to start packing because it's already 4 o'clock. I still have so much else, so much more to do. I need to get my nails done today as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start packing, just so when I come back home, I don't have to do so much tonight. So y'all already know me. I definitely ordered some stuff, but I don't know if I'm able to pack any of these things, because I'm only doing a carry-on, because I don't feel like checking it back in. But now I'm kind of thinking maybe I should check it back in, because I'm staying for 6 days. Boots is going to be involved, and thick clothes. I don't know how everything's going to fit in my carry-on. So we're going to see how this is going to go. But let me show you guys what I got. The first thing, it's already open. I'm going to show you guys, I got some new boots, a pair of Mission Margielas, some tabbies, It comes with these shoe dust bags, and then I got me a pair of black tabbies. I think this is gonna be so cute for the fall time. And I got them in a size 38 and it fits really good. So I'm happy about that because I was kind of scared on what size I should get. So I ended up getting those and that was good. And then I ordered something from Amazon. I just ordered a pair. I just ordered me a crimpler because I need to crimp my hair while I'm down there. It's only $20 and it had good reviews. Just a pink crimpler that I'm gonna pack as well. And then the last thing I got is clothes related. So I got it from, so the last thing I got is something from Target. And I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but I am, and I'm very much influenced by TikTok. So I saw Aaliyah Face talk about this two-piece set. I got the skirt set in black, and it's just a black skirt. So it has shorts underneath. I thought this would be really cute for the fall time, and it just comes with a matching hoodie. Well, it doesn't come with a matching hoodie. They're sold separately, but it has a matching hoodie paired with it. So I thought this would be really cute. And I got both of them in a size extra small. I thought it'd be really cute for the fall time. So I'm going to pack that too. Hopefully my bags, my shoes, my clothes can fit in this carry-on. I don't know, but I really don't like checking bags in because that's another hassle. And if you ever been to Atlanta, like the whole you getting on the train thing, like you have to get on the train when you go to Atlanta, the shuttle train, just to get out the airport. So I don't want to do that and then get find baggage claim and then leave. Like just seems like a long day, but we'll see if I end up fitting anything. We're gonna see if I end up being able to fit everything. So yeah, it's time to pack. I gotta stop rambling. So I just made it to my nail appointment. I'm about to get my nails done real quick. I'm really excited to get my nails done. Let me show you guys why. Because it's gonna really go with the outfit that I'm wearing to Drake's concert. I just realized I'm not getting it on time, so I'm gonna wear it when I come back to New York. But it's gonna be so cute because it's gonna match with the outfit. So I sent my nail tech the kind of theme I want for my nails. I showed her the kind of designs that I was really liking, and she's just gonna do a freestyle set on me. So I'm really excited because you guys know I've been doing French for a really long time, and it's time to switch it up. Like, it's fall time. I kind of want to do like a nice fall dark theme. It's 5:27 right now. My appointment is at 5:30, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head in there, and then we're gonna get my nails done.
Yeah, I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crush. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tough. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly wrist on, sipping a tuss. Go get it a must. Fuck a good and a pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get that shit out there, come to the money. Yeah, look at it glitzy, see what I mean? Gotta be faces, pink and green. Fuck on the naked, bust on the spleen. Cross on the car, 3K for the jeans. Feel like a punky, but trick on my sleeve. I'm cool on you, drunk, cause I don't want to flee. I'm smoking exotic, it don't gotta see. Been in the roof, and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos, that's some chili cheese. Smoking gelato, got me feeling knees. Mike got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit, I'm knowing what they need. I check out the motor, gotta have some speed. Do it by focus, I can see the feed. Yeah, I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good at that time it was crunch.
So I finally made it to Atlanta. I didn't vlog this morning because I had a 8 a.m. flight, so I think I was up at 4:30, and that itself was a whole process. But I'm finally in Atlanta. Me and my boyfriend right now are about to get something to eat. So we're going to the I think it's called like the Aki restaurant. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna put the name of the restaurant on the screen, but we're about to head there. I went there last time and it's like an African, like Nigerian restaurant, and I went there last time and their food was so good. So we're about to go there again. I'm really excited because last time I went the last day. Then we had so much leftovers, and I didn't get to eat my leftovers because my flight was the next day. So my boyfriend ended up lucking up with that and literally eating my leftovers. Yeah, this time this is my first day and I have a whole week. I'm gonna be here for a whole week, so I'm gonna be able to eat my leftovers. This is what I wore for the flight. I'm still gonna have on the same thing. It's just this top from Zara. I just scrunched it up so it could be like a crop top, and then I have on these pants from Aritzia, and I just have on the matching hoodie, and I'm gonna wear my Prada bag. So I'm gonna fully get dressed and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit outside the bathroom. But yeah, the Uber is like 3 minutes away, so I think I should hurry up and get ready and put all my stuff on, and then I'll show you guys my full fit and then we'll head to the restaurant.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did well by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, is out, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Hey you guys, so it's the next day. Today is Monday, I believe. Me and my boyfriend are getting ready to go to the Drake concert. I don't know if anybody knows, but like, I'm a Drake fan. If you ever get your lashes done by me, you already know like we're listening to Drake majority of the time. But I'm getting ready. I just finished doing my hair. I forgot to pack my little baby hair brush. I literally have to do my hair with a spoolie, but I think I did a good job. And I just finished crimping my hair. Let me show you guys my outfit. Or should I show you guys my outfit when I'm done with my makeup? Because I'm about to do my makeup right now. I'm going to do my makeup and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing. My freaking outfit I was to wear for the concert didn't come in, so I ended up wearing something else. But it's not bad. I'm going to show you guys once I'm done with my makeup. So I'm going to do my makeup right now. The concert starts at 8 o'clock. And right now it is 7:04, so yeah, let me hurry up and finish getting ready.
Mr. J is the comments, leave me out of nonsense, speaking out of context. People need some content, niggas trying to keep up. Shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven said, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress. Money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic. They come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. Might jump my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia. Linda Felicia, she gave me twice, I didn't even know for her once, you know I'm a pleaser.
So I'm done with my makeup. Right now it's 7:47. I'm about to leave soon, but yeah, before we just get some, well, get like lit a little bit before we go. But this is my makeup. I think I did a good job. Regular beat, you know. But let me show you guys my outfit here. Top, this from Pretty Little Thing. I have on these cargo pants. Cargo pants, and I'm gonna wear my Rick Owens and like my Prada bag. Those are the only things that I packed. So yeah, I'm really happy with my hair. This is my first time ever covering my hair myself, and it came out really good. So I'm just gonna vlog on my phone. So I'll see you guys once we get to the Drake concert. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there.
Mr. J is Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some context.
Anyways, we just made it to the mall. They have this like corn dog thing with like, I don't even know how to explain. I'm gonna show you guys when I get it. So I wanted to try that, and I also want to get bubble tea because you already know like I'm a fiend for bubble tea. So and we're just gonna walk around. We're gonna see a movie later, but I think the movie starts at 9, and right now it is 6:26. So we're gonna do a lot of walking around until the movie starts, or we could just see if we can, or we're gonna see if we can watch any other movie. So we're not like wasting time being bored and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the hot dog when we get that. This is a flaming hot. That's what it's called, right? I think it's called a flaming hot. And then my boyfriend got the one with the potato on it. So we're gonna taste it for you and tell you guys how it is. Let me go first. What do you think? I like it. What would you rate it? I like it because it's actually really spicy, so I rate it a 10 too. Right, I'm gonna finish eating it and I'm gonna see if I can try the other one if I'm not too full. Okay, this one's just the classic one. And I think he said people usually get it with mozzarella. So I'm gonna try this one. Now you're getting food in your hair.
And then get it.
This is really good too. I like this. This is actually really nice. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day. It's actually not morning. It's like 2 o'clock. But right now, me and my boyfriend are gonna go to. Well, this is my last day here, and me and my boyfriend, we want to go to the state fair that they have around here. I want to try their food because I love like street food, like the corn that they have. So that's what we're getting ready to do. And then because my flight is not until later tonight, so yeah. And it's really nice outside. I'm happy because right now it's like storming, raining in New York, and I'm happy I'm not there right now. So anyways, let's go.